Hello guys, thank you for joining Mr. Robert online math class. Today we are going to look at this topic, number base. So it's going to be a very easy topic, but before we continue, please like and share this video. Make sure you share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's very important so you can at least be seeing more videos coming up, or when more videos are uploaded you can see. Thank you very much. Now the word number base is a very familiar topic, very simple topic that we need to understand today. Now number base refers to the way numbers are grouped or counted. Now see the illustration I am going to have. If I have a number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are 10 items or objects. Now I can group it and say 10. This is our normal system of counting and we call it base 10. I can decide to put it and tie it after every 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At this point, I have 2 bundles. So that makes it become what? That makes it become 20 when I am expressing it in base 5. 20 in this case means that I have 2 bundles with no remainder. If I keep on counting this number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in base 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, in base 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 bundle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 bundles. These have not completed the 3rd bundle. So I can have it as what? 2 bundles and remainder of 2 in base 4. So the way numbers are grouped or counted is what is referred to as what? The number base. The point of consideration is how to change a number from how to change a number from a lower base to base 10. How to change a number from lower base to base 10. And I'm going to use this illustration to show you. This is 1353 in base 10. And take note, any number written without a base shows that it is what? Base 10. So the number we've been using, all the numbers you've been seeing, the commonly used base is base 10. If I say I am 21 years old, the 21 is expressed in base 10. Possibly today's date is 18th October. The 18th day is in base 10. So all the numbers we are talking about, what is base 10 except specified. Now any other base that is not specified, you see written like this is base 2. If I write these 2 without indicating the base, that means that it is in base 10, and this is what? 1001. Now let us consider this number in base 10. Now in this number, if I should write this number in expanded form, this is 1353. 1353. So with this 1000, I can rewrite this expression . Take note of this 1000. I want to show you this. 10 times 10 equals 100. Whenever you are multiplying a 10 by itself, the number of times is determined by the number of zeros. So if I say 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 into 4 places, the same thing as 10 with 4 zeros. So at this point, if I should express this number using times, it's the same thing like 10 times 10 times 10 into 3 places, that is 1000. And then we have 3 times 10 times 10. Then we have 5 times 10. So if I should write this in index form, remember index notation shows what? How many times a number, or index shows how many times a number is multiplied by itself. 10 times 10 times 10 means 10 is multiplied by itself in 3 places. Ten is multiplied by itself in 1 place, in 2 places. 10 appears just 1. 10 appears no place. Remember, no place is just 0. Now we'll talk about this. Any number raised to the power of 0 is 1, provided that number is not 0. Take note, if Mr. Albert is a number, Mr. Albert raised to the power of 0 is 1. At all points you see a number raised to the power of 0, just know it is what? 1. So at this point, 1 times 10 raised to the power of 3 plus 3 times 10 raised to the power of 2 plus 5 times 10 raised to the power of 1 plus 3 times 10 raised to the power of 0. Please take note of this point. Take note of this point. This is the point we want to draw our generalization from. At this point, I told you that this number is in base 10. Since it is in base 10, what we need to do is we multiply each of the digits. You see the power is 3. The next digit, the power is 2. Remember, it's still the base 10. And the next one, the power is 1. That the power reduces from the largest one to the least. So what do? We can decide to do what? Put this 0, 1, 2, 3. That means from the first one, the corresponding power of the first position is 0, 1, 2, and 3. What are we going to do? If we are asked to change a number like 1, 1, 0, 1, base 2 to base 10, what we are going to do, we follow the same pattern. The first one is what? 0. Always start counting from 0. The second one, 1. The third one, 2. And the fourth one, 3. The first digit, which is 1, times times the base raised to the corresponding power. What is this power? This one raised to now is 3. So you raise the base to the power you have it. Please, you're labeling your work very well. You will make it very, very easy. Now I have labeled 0, 1, 2, 3. At this point, I'm using this one. The power of the base is what? 3. As I am using the next one, remember, is the base that will carry the power 2. And the next one, 0, the power is what? 1. Plus the last one, 1. The power is what? 0. It's just the same thing we had here. The only difference is that this was what? Base 10. That means that whatever base you are given is the base you use. So you don't just follow this example. Next one you use 2 because I used 2. Always use what? The base you are given. So at this point, 2 raised to the power of 3. This is the likely mistakes young learners do, young learners make when they have this problem. Some people will just hear 2 raised to the power of 3. What will come to their mind is 2 times 3 and they will give you 6. Even after emphasizing, some people will still make the same mistake. So please do not make this mistake. 2 raised to the power of 3 means 2 times 2 times 2. How many places? 1, 2, 3. So 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. So 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. So this is the same thing as 1 times 8. The same thing here. 2 raised to the power of 2 is 2 into 2 places, which is 2 times 2. We have 1 times 4. Now we have 0 times 2 raised to the power of 4 means just 2 in one place, the way I am, which is what? 2. And finally, 2 raised to the power of 0. I say any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. So we have 1. 1 times 8, 8. 1 times 4, 4. 0 times 2, 0. 1 times 1, 1. We add them together. What we have is 12, 13. That means 1101 in base 2 is the same thing as what? 13. It's very, very easy. Please just understand the concept of what the number base. Please take note. When you are having a question number base, I've come across a question where someone wrote something like 1, 2, 3 base 3. Now in number base, the highest digit of any base should be 1 less than the base. Now in base 10, that is very, very common, what we use. You have not seen any single digit that is what is called 10. Instead, when you get to the 10th value, it is what? 1 and 0 to tell you that it has completed what? A bundle. 1 0 unit and what? The 110. So this is the same thing. So you can't have this. As far as base 3 is concerned, you cannot have a digit that is what? That is up to 3. The highest digit in base 3 should be what? 2. The highest digit in base 2 should be what? 1. The highest digit in base 10 should be what? 9. The highest single digit should be what? 9. So thank you very much for joining our class today. Please, if there is any question, please do well to ask on the comment section. Thank you. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. People are learning. The aim of this is to ensure that we drive the phobia people would have in mathematics. If we constantly teach, I think in the next future will be better. Please do well to share. Thank you very much and God bless you.